Hi, I'm Craig Meyer with Jones Lang LaSalle Industrial, and I'm here with Kim Snyder, President of the Western Region for Prologis. Kim, the gateway markets and the port markets have really led the way in the recovery over the last year. What's your take on the secondary markets? Who's looking at them? What's the demand there?
We'll tell you that the core and gateway markets have really been the focus of A&B before the merger, and then Prologis similarly had a very concentrated effort in the core market strategy, global markets, kind of those choke points in the supply chain. And those markets have really held up. That strategy's proven to be pretty effective in terms of the first to recover. What we are noticing, though, is a little bit of a lesser activity in some of the secondary markets, but that doesn't mean we're abandoning them. We actually have found that the way we can service our customers the best is to have a little bit of both. So as a result of the merger, now we have a pretty significant complex of locations in secondary markets as well as these core markets where a user in one market might have a smaller requirement but absolutely having a requirement in those secondaries that we'd like to make sure we can continue to fulfill those. So we've actually spent a lot of time cultivating and examining which of these are the best to be and why, and looking for rent growth opportunities in the secondaries as well as the global markets. I think we will probably categorize them, as I said earlier, in this sort of global, regional, and other markets, where in the other markets we might be a little bit more actively trading and selling there. In the secondaries, we call that the regional markets. There's still an awful lot of business. There's tremendous demand in those, but just not quite the same scale that you see in the global markets like Los Angeles, where we're heavily concentrated.